Imagine a world where everything needed for survival is readily available: food, water, shelter, all in abundance. Now consider this. What would happen if society, despite having all its needs met, starts to crumble? This isn't a dystopian novel plot, but the real-life findings of a chilling experiment known as Universe 25. In the shadows of the 60s, a peculiar American scientist by the name of John Calhoun embarked on a chilling venture. His twisted ambition was to forge a haunting dystopia, a macabre playground for mice. Crafting a cavernous haven, Calhoun laid out bountiful provisions of food and water, setting the stage for a rodent frenzy. He insidiously introduced 4 pairs of mice into this too-good-to-be-true reality. Before long, their numbers began to multiply at an alarming rate, creating a sinister spectacle of an uncontrollable rodent manifestation, evolving into an eerie and grotesque phenomenon. However, a peculiar event occurred after 315 days. The reproduction rate started to decline significantly. As the rodent population reached around 600, a societal hierarchy amongst them began to emerge, and the so-called wretches made their appearance. These larger rodents began to attack their own kind, leading many males to experience psychological collapse. This societal breakdown had a domino effect. The females who were not being protected turned aggressive even towards their offspring. More and more, they exhibited signs of isolation and a lack of interest in reproduction. Consequently, the birth rate plummeted, while mortality rates in younger mice soared. Enter the beautiful mice, a new class of male rodents who refused to mate or fight for their space. Their sole concerns were food and sleep. In due course, these beautiful males and isolated females made up the majority of the population. Calhoun divided the death phase into 2 stages: the first death and second death. The former was a phase where mice lost all purpose in life beyond mere existence. They displayed no desire to mate, raise young, or establish a societal role. As time progressed, juvenile mortality hit 100%, and reproduction came to a complete stop. Amidst this societal breakdown, instances of homosexuality and cannibalism increased, despite an abundance of food. 2 years into the experiment, the last baby mouse was born. By 1973, the last mouse in Universe 25 had died. Calhoun replicated this experiment 25 times, and each time the result was the same. The Universe 25 experiment stands as a chilling testament to societal collapse. It serves as a model for understanding social breakdown and a focal point for urban sociology studies. The implications of these findings ring true even today, reminding us that abundance doesn't always equate to societal harmony. Sometimes it might just be the precursor to a collapse.